Hey guys, welcome back Phone Mechanic channel. Before going to video, please subscribe our channel because you can get updated phone knowledge from our channel. And in this video, we will learn about how to enable incoming call notification light effect in VIVO Y35 phone. And then here we go. First of all, open the setting on this device. After that, scroll down, and then you can see here first one, second one, dynamic effects. After that, click amplified light effect and then enable incoming calls light effect. After that, select your light effect designs like this, light effect on the phone edges. Select your design, customize to, you can make customized design also, and then apply it and go back. You can same like that, enable your notification light effect also. Enable it and check your customized design and then apply it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment also. Thank you very much.